Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So in today's video, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the item that's in there. It's something that I wanted for a bag that I actually have, and I'll bring the bag out later so you guys can see it. Anyway, if you guys are not already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay, guys, so as I stated, this is just a little quick item that I actually picked up. I didn't even pick it up from any LVS. Well, I should say she's still an SA. I picked it up from my LV Repair SA Aimee. So amazing. I went to go pick up. I've had this thing for like maybe when? When did I go pick it up? I don't know. I think I picked it up maybe a week or two ago. Um, yeah, I think a week or two ago, maybe 3 weeks. I don't know, guys. But it's just been in the box, in the bag. Haven't opened it yet. But I did let Amy know that I needed this item when I went in to pick up. When I think I went in to do an inquiry about my favorite. And guys, my favorite should be coming really soon. So you guys will see the repair. I'm so excited about it. I think it's supposed to be getting delivered today, actually, while I'm filming this video. But anyway, so I did let her know that I was looking for this item for a specific bag, and she was able to track it down because it's not on the LV website. She was able to track it down and order it for me. So without any further ado, let me get into what I actually picked up. So, and you see how I love her. She always gives me like samples and everything. She's just such a sweetheart. Okay, guys. So, as you guys can see, so I picked up this beautiful strap. This is the strap that actually goes with one of my bags that I have. I think I did, when I did the unboxing, the strap that came with the bag, the leather strap, it was already cracking. So I didn't really want to take any more chances with that. So I did ask Amy for this beautiful guitar strap. One, is it like a guitar type of the canvas strap for the bag? So let me bring the bag out so you guys can see it. So you guys know, so this strap is actually for this beautiful bag right here, my LV Alma BB in the epi leather in the orange. So guys, look at this. Look how perfect this actually go. Like, and it's so crazy. Like, Amy literally had to track this down for me because she was like, Aisha, and I literally explained to her the color that I had, because like I stated, it's not on the LV website for this strap at all. So we were talking and I'm like, yeah, Amy, I have my bag, but the leather, because I was trying to see if they were able to repair the strap that came with this. The strap is actually upstairs because I took it out. So I was asking, I'm like, hey, are you guys able to repair it? She was like, well, I'm not sure, and things like that, because she was like, it might not be worth it. So she was like, what kind of strap is it? So I told her the bag that I had, which is the, like I told you guys, the Alma BB in the epi leather in this beautiful orange, guys. Like, this orange is so beautiful. Okay, and you guys know I love this bag. It has everything, comes with the lock and key, everything, and I got to put the lock, oh, the key, okay, the lock right here. So I told her about it. So she was like, okay, cool. So she opened it up. We couldn't find it, like I stated, and I was telling her, I was like, do you know if they actually even carry the strap? And she went on like the back end on her research and was able to actually find this for me. And it's crazy because while I was in the shop, she wasn't able to find it. So when I got out, because I just went in just to check and see about, like I told you guys, my favorite repair and everything. So when I got out, I was walking around the mall and she texted me. She was like, is this the one you want? And I'm like, oh my God, Amy, you are the best. So she was like, oh my God, yeah, because I was able to kind of find it after you left and things. I did some more research and kind of remember because I showed her one of my videos actually, and she was like, oh, this is so cute. So I showed her a video of the bag and she was like, oh, I think we probably have it, but it's not on the website. I said, I know, I've been looking at it for the website, but it's not there. So she was able to actually find it for me, guys. And guys, look how perfect this goes. Like, this is so beautiful, and I love the fact that it gives me more of like, it gives also the neutral look. It has like the, let's see right there. So you see, like with the Louis Vuitton, it has like the brown. Let's see. Let me bring it close up. as you guys can see. So it have the orange on the top and the tan on the bottom, and it has the orange strap with the silver hardware. But the thing that I love about it, you see like the Louis Vuitton is like 3D. It's like 3D embossed. And I love the fact that it has like more like that 3D kind of vibe, because on it has like the dark brown, it has the tan, it has the orange, and it has white on the bottom with the orange. Like this is just so beautiful. It has the beautiful flower in the brown and white. You guys can see right here. So this is what it is. So this is the one side right here, and then on the side, you guys can see right there. So it has just the flowers, the LV flower, which is so beautiful. And then as you guys can see, it has the orange and the tan, as you guys can see. So guys, I was so super excited that she was able to track this down for me, guys. Like, I'm super excited. Like, and you guys know I will probably be using because you guys not don't really like leather strap. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know in 90% of my bags that I got there, I have leather strap. Unless the leather strap is not removable, then I won't change it. But if it is removable, you know, I always change the strap because I don't know, I just don't care for leather strap, which is so crazy. But as you guys can see right here, so this is the beautiful strap, the beautiful, kind of like a guitar chopper, kind of vibe. So let me see, so you guys can see what it looked like. Put it right here. And then let's see. And then we put it right here. So this is what it is, guys. Oh my goodness. Look how perfect. Look how perfect this is. Like this is so perfect. With this bag, guys, tell me what you think. Like, do you think I made a good decision by buying this? And guess what's so crazy, guys? In the store, when Aimee actually ordered this for me, this was only $390. So I was actually looking on the pre-love market to see if I was able to, if I could have find this exact strap in this colorway and everything, okay? Or just an orange, anything that will match this bag, because I can't use like a chain strap, which I'll probably do use like a chain, silver chain strap to kind of just make it a little bit different. But I really wanted this. But anyway, so I was looking on the pre-love market, guys. Mind you, I didn't find this. But the ones that are like this, and you guys know there are certain things pre-love market is best for you to buy it at pre-love market. And there are certain things you be like, you know what though, I'm gonna go to the store and buy it. Because something like this that was in a different color, guys, the pre-love market like jacked it up for like double the price. Okay, like I told you guys, I got this for $390. The pre-love market, it was like $800. And I'm like, I'm not paying. I was like, I'm not paying that for no strap. I'll just use the crack strap, guys. Let me be serious. But I was like, I'll just use the crack strap that comes with the crack leather strap that comes with the bag. I'm not paying 800. So when Aimee was able to find this for me, and she told me the price, she was like, "Oh, Aisha, I was able to find it. It's 390." I'm like, Aimee, order it now for me, please. So she actually ordered it the same day, and it literally came. It didn't even take long to come. It literally came like not even in a week and stuff. So it came, and she actually sent it to me, and I was just so happy. I was like, "Thank you so much, yes, I got my strap." She didn't send it to me. I actually went to the store and actually pick it up. So I'm excited this bag actually have this strap, and I didn't have to pay the markup when it comes to the pre-love marketplace. But anyway, guys, so I love this. Like, guys, just look how perfect this strap is. Look at this guy. And I usually really don't do too much accessories. But guys, let me know in the comment below if you guys want me to do more accessories for bags and stuff like that, because I would love to do that, because I do accessorize my bag just to make it just a little bit different and everything. But let me know in the comment below if you guys want me to actually do a video of like just accessorizing my bags and stuff like that. I would love to get that video done for you guys. Anyway, also guys, please do not forget to share this video with your family and friends so that we can get the view up, guys. Please, I beg you guys. Anyway, guys, so that's the video for today. Thank you guys so much for the continuous love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.